Hi sir, good morning. Welcome to the Blue Luxury Hotel. Do you have a reservation today? Yes, sir. Okay sir, may I have your luggage? Would you like to say that the front desk? Good morning. Do you have a reservation today? Yes, sir. Okay, may I have your ID and your reservation number? The room number is still 100 floor, and this your personal butler is going to assist you today.
Game.
Sir, just let me remind you, our breakfast buffet starts at 6 a.m. and we have a swimming pool at the back of the hotel. Here's your room, and we have your key card. We have your room check. Room check.
Pasok, Balbon.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. What's your key card to activate all the may I have your luggage?
At
Lumuko yung tubig. Yeah.
Okay, sir. What do you prefer to your ham or pork? What do you prefer to
Loko.
Press pack and hold it. Ulit yan, ulit. Marinig.
you have specials?
Ilang man yun?
Water.
Okay, sir. And then, paano
Wala akong
sir, this is your queen size bed, and this is your remote for the TV and for the aircon. And this is your mini bar. Anything you consume will be added to your bill. And this is your complimentary coffee and tea and water. Your bathroom, shower and bathtub. Blue one for cold and hot and red for hot. And in the cabinet, we have bath towels and toiletries.
Ilang mantika ba?
Is there anything you need, sir?
Yes, can you give me some water?
Okay, sir. Here's your water.
Snacks. Snacks.
Ayun.
Snacks. That's all?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Get out my...
Finance. Okay, sir. If you need anything, just dial 1 for the front desk and dial 2 for the housekeeping department. Housekeeping, dial 1 for housekeeping and dial 2 for the front desk. Okay. Ring ring. No, sir. This is Kirby, your personal butler. Just let me remind you, your checkout time is 11 a.m. and it's already 10:30 a.m. Do you need help to pack your luggage? Okay, okay, sir. I'll be there before you check out. Hi, sir. Can I start pack your luggage? Bumalik.
Psychology.
Okay, so let me escort you to the front desk. Sir, good morning. Check out. May I have your key card? Okay, so your bill is paid and how do you expect Okay, so your stay has been settled. Thank you for staying at home in Hotel. Yes, sir. Hi, sir. May I speak to the on your card? Already at the compartment. Again, thank you for staying with me. Please, please,